Is your 2013-2017 Honda Accord key fob not working like it used to? It probably just needs a new battery. The key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These batteries usually last 2 to 4 years, but extreme temperatures can shorten this lifespan. Replacing it is simple and can be done in under 10 minutes with just a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. A new battery will restore the remote's functions like locking, unlocking, and the panic button. Today, we'll show you how to replace it without damaging your key fob. First, locate the small slot on the back of your key fob. Insert your tool and gently pry it open. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up. Positive side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car. Make sure to work in a static-free environment to avoid electronic damage. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. If the fob still doesn't work, there might be a bigger problem, and it may need professional reprogramming.